All right, so what we've looked at in the prior to this was somebody chooses an option and then they put it back. So if there were two options, there were always two options all the way through. But now we're doing it where there's no replacement. So let's read this question. It says, a small ball pit contains 10 blue, 10 red, 10 yellow, and 10 green balls. A ball is drawn and its color is recorded. And this is repeated one more time. Okay. What they say is the ball is drawn, but the ball's not put back. Okay. So, important to draw a good diagram. I would suggest using a pencil when we're doing our fractions, because when I did it, I made so many mistakes and it looked like a dog's breakfast. So, let's do this together. So, we're going to start off now. What you do first of all is you have a look at your question. So, it's 10 blue, 10 red, 10 yellow, 10 green. So that tells me that there's 40 balls. So what I do when I begin, I write it out. So I know that there are 10 out of 40 that are blue. Okay, so I suggest you do this. Write it out nicely. I can't write nicely on this. Then there are 10 out of 40 which are red. There are 10 out of 40 which are yellow. And then we've got 10 out of 40 which are green. Okay. Now, you can use your, we know that this fraction should be 1 over 4. It should be a quarter. You can use a quarter, but in the beginning I would use the big number, and you'll see why. You'll see why. Let me show you what I mean. Okay. So, we're going to go, I'll keep with this color. So we're going to go blue, and give yourself a lot of space to do this, okay? We're going to go, what was the next one? Red. And then we're going to go yellow. Just move it up a bit. And we're going to go green. Okay. Now, you've got to have an option coming off each of them, all right? And we only have to do it once. I'll show you, because this, so for instance, first of all, let's just do a line here. If we do a line here, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's my first choice. Then from there, I've got a blue. I could have a red. I could pick a yellow, and I could pick a green. Okay, from there, I could pick a blue. I could pick a red. I could pick a yellow, and I could pick a green. Okay, I'm not drawing this very nicely. And from the yellow, I could pick I'm just going to do small ones. A blue, a red, a yellow, or a green. Please don't make yours look like this. And then from this one, I could do a blue, a red, give yourself more space, a yellow, and a green. Okay, green. Right, so now we have to record what we did first of all. So we're going to start, record in red. Okay, so if we go, we've got blue, blue. Okay, so I'm going to write blue. Oh no, I need to write that. Blue, blue. Now, fractions have to come into it, so we're going to put this in a different color. So how many different things have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we know that they'll each, because we've got up here, they're each 10 over 40. So we're going to start with that, okay? So in a different color, you're going to go 10 over 40. I'll try and put it next to the actual thingy, so we're going to go 10 over 40. Over here, we're starting with our yellow as 10 over 40, and over here we're going 10 over 40. Okay. Now, what would happen if we've got 10 over 40, right? But we take 1 out when we take the same color. Well, then we're going to be left with 9 because we've taken 1 out. And because we've taken 1 out, we don't have any 40. We've actually got 39 left. Do you see? Okay, so we've reduced that by 1, and we've reduced that by 1, and we reduced that by 1. So now we've got 9 over 39. What have we got left? Well, we've got 30 left because we've already used up 9. So, but we've got 1, 2, 3 different colors to spool that out into. So basically, we're going to give that 10 over 39, that 10 over 39, and that 10 over 39. So we're up there. 10 over 39, 10 over 39, 10 over 39. So what we've effectively done is we've taken 1 out of there and we haven't replaced it. So all the balls have now reduced to 39 balls. We've taken out 1 there, and then we've divvied up what we've got left. Now if we're going to do the same thing here, we've got the red ball. So we go straight to the red line and we say, okay, well, if I take 1 away from 10 over 40, I'm going to write it over here actually. I'm going to have 9 over 39, which leaves me with 30 over 39. So I'll give him 10 over 39, and I'll give her 10 over 39, and I'll give her 10 over 39. Oh my gosh, this is so untidy. Like I said, please don't make this like you normally do it. Come and look at my book where it's neater. Okay, then we go to the next one and we say, okay, so this girl here is a yellow girl. So if I take 1 yellow away, I'll be left with 9 over 39. I divvy up my 30, so I've got 10 over 39. And I've got 10 over 39, and I got 10 over 39. Okay, last one is our greenie. So we take away our green, so we've got 9 over 39, and these chickies get 10 over 39, and 10 over 39, oh my gosh, and 10 over 39. Okay, now we have to write it all up. Come on, let's make it neat. So we've got BB. What is BB? BB starts off with 10 over 40, or you could just put 1/4. Doesn't matter, guys, okay? And you're going to multiply it by 9 over 39, because that's what it follows. So B went to there, which was 9 over 39. So we're going to multiply it by 9 over 39. Okay? Then we went BR. So BR is going to be at the quarter, because we always start with that, because we always start here. So the R was there. BR, so the B always is whatever we start with was our first one. So if it's a quarter, they're all going to start off with a quarter. And then we went to 10 over 39. Okay. And then we went to BY, which is a quarter, times 10 over 39. And then we went to BG, which was 10 over a quarter, times 10 over 39. Okay. And then we start off with R. So then we're going to go our R's. We're going to go RB, RR, RY, RG. Okay. Well, I want you to work through, and you would do all of them. So you would go all the way down. I don't need to do that for you now. And then when you're done with that, we move it over a little bit so that we can write our answers in. So 1 times 9 is equal to 9. And then 4 times 39, I do not know off by heart, so we'll just ask my trusty little calculator, times 39 is 156. So we write our answer in. So for all of them, you need to write the answers in. Some of the answers will be the same, and some of the answers are different. But I want you to write all the answers in. So when I say that you're going to be, for this one, there would be heaps. You'd go all the way down, okay? You would be writing all your answers down. Once you've got your information, you're then going to be asked questions on it, just like you were asked before. So you've got all your answers down, and you just answer it from that. I hope that you can give this a go, because once you understand it quite clearly, you just need to practice it a few times. You'll get it. I have no doubt.